With the GrohSafe 3.0, you are allowed to do a back-to-back installation. So here we have our hot and cold risers coming up. You see they're splitting off, and the hot is feeding into the hot of this valve, cold into this side. However, on the other side, hot is feeding into the cold port and vice versa. So we have a remedy for that, and that's on the cartridge. We don't have to purchase an expensive reversing cartridge. The cartridge itself can be reversed to remedy that. This is what the cartridge looks like for a standard installation. The larger hole is at the 12 o'clock position, and the smaller rectangular hole is down at the 6 o'clock position. So we want to reverse that, and to do that, we remove the clip. We want to remove the back part of the cartridge, rotate it 180 degrees, and lay it back on, and then take your clip and reinsert it. So now you will go ahead and put your cartridge in with the large opening at the 12 o'clock position. And thread your nut on. Now you will notice that your up is actually at the 6 o'clock position, so pointing down.